We don't do. Oh, boy, I don't enter the crazy of the craziness. You know, understand what I'm saying? All right, ladies and gentlemen, now the late night show. Now it is. Thank you very much. Easy bit. What you do just now?
Why you carry the face bit?
I say you want it like this.
Okay.
All right, welcome everybody on top of the show. As usual, that your boy Ogbolo, and of course on the wheels of steel, DJ Easy Beat. Yes, so ahead. I didn't learn that rubbish for you. But you know, see, it fit you past me. No, because you get more to join the team. So yeah, I be like, oh, they suffer. But seriously, they start on the lean these days. I don't know why, but
you know.
Yeah.
I did sure say you know.
See,
and you know,
see?
say you know.
No, but I don't know. Maybe I the try reason waiting they cause my leanness.
Or maybe they wash your weight, you know.
Yeah, probably.
And I wonder the kind of weight where they wash.
Maybe I don't wash my weight. Washing my waist and everything. But different things they cause, I know. Different things they cause waist loss.
Okay.
Yeah, some of our entertainers said they lost weight. I know all call names.
Okay.
I know all call names.
So you're not one of them, are we?
That's how come they join the whole thing now.
Okay, they lose weight.
But no, I will never lose weight. I don't want to.
You don't lose weight. Say no, I will never lose weight.
No, I will never depreciate.
Okay.
Depreciate and disappear. It will not be my portion. Amen. People like the Eagles, they can maintain it.
Oh my God.
Twale, we be one of my guests. They feel maintain now. If you see Twale, blogger, so like. Sometimes you ask me this, 20 half an hour. I did. You say you get where you go shrink. Your esophagus go the your intestine everything go compress. You know go free call talk your normal tender voice. You call the use soprano. Hey, how not then? Eagles, so I see the fear for Eagles. We no feel on fan near Eagles. Or if they drive inside my motor, we they drive like this. Sometimes if you no want drive, we they drive together for my motor. In the whole chair now. No breeze. Now, because of farm. Oh, seat belts they work now. You see where seat belts they work like this. They fear to cut because it won't follow window come out. Based on the Darlingtonness. Ladies and gentlemen, now welcome on top of the late night show. And one more time, we say good evening to everybody. Hope so now day go very, very well. My own day. Sun don't they help us, you know, don't they get bad hair, so I don't they tie my head now. How do I feel my swag for today? How do I feel my swag? So I did very, very swagged up and I want to do Dubai boys things now. They say if you not feel beat them, make you join them. They say dress how you want to be addressed. So I want to be addressed as somebody who will get millions. The millions. Say millions. Millions. Talking like rich man. I not be like poor man when they try to be like rich man. Millions. You're not pride, not pride. All right, so we get two very, very crazy acts in the building. One of them are the first host of this wonderful show. The guy will lay ground, will balance everything for this show, where some of us can't inherit after him. Twale, you go follow us down top of the show for today. Follow and gist and every. And another friend of mine, comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. See why go there here with us. That guy just do some kind of touring things for Bodo Yibo. We go ask him how far and they relate on top every. Today we want to talk about theater things, drama things, Nollywood and every. Most of things will take go. All right, so we're gonna sit back, relax. The show starts now. So DJ Easy Beats, carry us come out. They come back for the cocoa.
Baby, give me your contract, come on me, I won't sign.